Hood, and I am just gonna do this video review regarding this. I'm not gonna say it's a tripod, but it's a little thingy that you stick on your car and you can do your videos in your car. So we're gonna get into this video, okay?
Hi guys, welcome back to me, the Fabulous Gabby. Okay. So look, I found this on the TikTok shop, and I wanted to give a review, a product review on how it works. It's one of those tripods that you can put on your windows and windshield to record inside of your car. I keep scissors in my car, not for protection. I don't know. It's just a habit. I always keep a pair of scissors, and I'm just gonna cut this open and see what we have in this package. So we're gonna see. So as you can see, I opened the package. So it comes packaged in this box. As you can see, the color like it's black, but it's really not black. So of course I'm a girly, and I'm a girly, and I got pink. Pink is the color that I got, and we're gonna see how you do this bad baby. It has a little plastic on the back where it's like a suction cup. It's a suction. So this is it on the window. And I think the off and on dial was for you can keep it on and off. See, when I took it off, it went apart. The suction came out. And if I put it on again, it stays. So this is a nice little gadget. You can put it anywhere. This product got my satisfaction. 10 out of a 10, y'all. This is the best product ever for you content creators. The link will be provided below, down below. So this little gadget right here, I'm going to use it all the time to do my content creating. This is so pretty, and I'm going to keep it in the car. Because I got to go anywhere. I'm going to keep it in the car because I got to use this thing because I need that for me, okay? Because when I'm out on this road and doing my thing with my real estate and everything that I want to do as far as creating videos on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, look, this is the gadget that you need. The link is provided below. Don't forget to purchase yours today. And for you girly girls, they have pink. Yay! Thank you. It's recording, guys. If you notice, it's recording. It's on the passenger door. I love it. Purchase yours today. The link is in the bio. Showcase is in the showcase. It's down below. Get yours today so we can record content creators. We did this thing, y'all.